Well, instantly solve these questions are easiest and easily processed if the questions y equal to x minus x squared plus x cube minus x to the power 4 plus up to dot dot infinity. Then the x is the power of y. Find the expand of the series. X is the power of y. You have to clear this maths. If y equal to f of x function, so y equal to f of x function, you have to thinking this is the system and find the question are easily. If you have to deeply thoughts, y equal to f of x function, then x equal to f of y function, find out the question are easiest. So then x is the power of y. X is the power of y means x equal to y power. This is the same way. Find the expand. Find the expand means x equal to power of y series. So given that the series is y equal to and multiply of minus 1, y equal to minus x square plus x cube minus x to the power 4 plus up to dot and minus y equal to minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power 4 minus dot. So is 1 minus y equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power 4 minus dot. So that's why 1 minus y equal to is the formula 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1. That's why 1 divided by 1 plus x. So that implies 1 minus 1 plus x equal to 1 by 1 minus y. And that's why 1 minus y whole to the power minus 1. 1 plus y square plus y cube plus y to the power 4 plus dot infinity. So that's why is we have to find out x is the power of y. That means y equal to f of x function is the given that the series and find the series x equal to power of y. So x equal to y plus y square plus y cube plus y to the power 4 plus up to dot plus infinity. So then which is the power of series in y? It is the expand of the series. So it is easiest and easy process and easy things. Okay. Well, find the coefficient of x to the power n of the expansion of that function. Find the coefficient of x to the power n of the expansion of function 1 by 1 minus x into 1 minus bx. So firstly, given that the expansion of function, you have to write now in 1 minus x equal 0, then x equal to 1 by a. Firstly, then x equal to 1 by a, 1 minus b by a. So 1 minus x, 1 minus b by a, and plus 1 minus bx equal to 0, then x equal to 1 by b, and this the x equal to 1 by b. Firstly, x equal to 1 by a, x equal to 1 by a, 1 minus b by a. This is the that's values, that's factors are values, and 1 minus bx, x equal to 1 by b, x equal to 1 by b. These the values, and these values are put of this the function 1 minus a by b, 1 minus a divided by b, 1 minus bx. Again reply that the function is fraction. Fraction means angshik. That means 1 minus x equal 0, x equal to 1 minus a. Put up the values in these the factors in other factors. So x equal to 1 by a, 1 minus b by a, b by a, 1 minus b by a, and others is 1 by a, and 1 minus bx equal 0, x equal to 1 by b, then x 1 minus a by b, right? So that a minus b divided by a into 1 minus ax, and plus b minus a divided by b into 1 minus bx. So that's why এখানে x, Well, this is the summer problem, is not a major problem. 1 minus x equal to 0. Then x equal to 1 by a. 1 minus bx equal to x equal to 1 by b. So x is the values of 1 by a and 1 minus bx the values of atu. That's why atu is the values of x by 1 minus bx is the values of 1 by a into 1 minus b by a, and 1 minus b, x equal to 1 by b, 1 minus a by b is the other values of the vectors. So 1 by a, that means is the LCM. 1 by b, 1b, that means LCM. A minus b, b minus a minus b, b minus a. That's why 1 by 1 minus x, 1 minus bx, b minus a, that means minus 1 is common. So 1 minus a minus a, 1 by a minus a is the upper levels are common. That's why is the formula are adjusted at that moment. So it is clear, obviously clear. Now that's equal to 1 by a minus b is equal to 1 plus x plus a square x square plus a cube x cube plus up to dot dot a to the power n x to the power n and minus 1 plus bx plus b square x square b cube x cube plus up to dot dot b to the power n x to the power n. So we have to find out this coefficient of x to the power n. Coefficient of x to the power n. I think you have to clear this the system. And now this coefficient of x to the power n, then 1 by a minus b and a to the power n minus b to the power n, that's equal to a to the power n minus b to the power n divided by a minus b is coefficient of x to the power n of the function x by 1 minus x 1 minus bx. You have to just this partial fraction. This function is partial fraction, then 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 and 1 minus bx whole to the power minus 1. You have to clear this the formula and advance this the rules and apply this the system. Well, thank you and thanks.